Hello everyone, this is me Teresa and welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I want to show you kung paano ako gumagawa ng YouTube thumbnail ko para sa aking YouTube video. I use Canva for creating YouTube thumbnail. Let's open Canva and I have here my YouTube thumbnail on my last video. By the way guys, kung hindi nyo pa napanood to, yung clickable email signature and how you can create clickable email signature, you can check that out. Minsan gumagamit ako ng templates dito. Namimili ako ng templates na gusto kong i-edit. So let's pull up blank page. And you can choose your brand color. Ito gamitin natin. Kung ano yung color na gusto nyong gamitin, yun ang gagamitin nyo. So, in this tutorial, I will use this, my brand color. And ang ilalagay mo dyan is yung highlights ng video mo. Let's say, gagawa tayo ng thumbnail para dun sa ginawa kong tutorial kung paano gumawa ng YouTube intro. So, ang ilalagay natin dyan, ang ilalagay natin is YouTube intro for free. Okay. Put some effects here para mas maging visible siya. Tap on the three dots, then go to effects. Then you can choose. Let's duplicate this first. And then hollow. Then change the color para mas maging visible. I will choose yellow. Then put it here. Ayan. And then you can group it. Group. Okay. Then, kapag inano mo siya, hindi na siya maghihiwalay yung dalawa. Okay? Ilagay natin ng Canva icon. You can select icon here. Then, you can add some text like Canva tutorial. You can change the font. Edit natin yung spacing niya. 200 and paliitan mo lang siya. Then you can add some effects here. I-lift natin siya ng konti. Ayan. You can select all this by just doing like this and then click on the three dots, click group. If you want to put it in the center, you can put it. And then add your photo. So, let's say ito na lang yung photo. I-copy natin siya. Sa paglagay ng outline, you can click on the photo, then edit image on the top toolbar, then go to shadows, click on glow, then click on the control and increase the transparency, decrease the blur, and then the size, sample number 8, and then change the color to whatever color you want to use. Kapag nilagyan nyo siya ng highlight, yan yung magiging itsura niya. Then click on apply, then wait for the process na matapos. Kapag dito yung saving post sa taas, antayin yung matapos kasi minsan bumabalik siya sa dati. Okay. So, what is the purpose of this highlight? Nagiging mas visible yung mga elements sa YouTube thumbnail mo. You can move this, then make it a little bit big. Ayan. If you want to add more elements, you can go to elements and then click position it to backward. So, papalitan natin yung color ng Canva tutorial na word para mas maging visible siya. So, kayo nang bahala magbagay-bagay ng mga color niya. That's how I create my YouTube thumbnail here in Canva. You just have to make it more attractive. So, yeah, I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. So, thank you for watching, guys. God bless and see you in my next video.